I just took a trade on the S&P 500, and this was quite a straightforward trade. So I'm going to break down exactly how I came to the conclusion of actually entering the trade and why I felt like this was an easy, high probability setup. Oh, and by the way, yes, I have executed the trade. I don't even know how to show it because like it's on my phone. So what do I do? But I took the trade. Here's a screenshot of the sell position I took. So we have this strong resistance level, right? When price tapped into this level, this white line, we saw price absolutely melt. When price tapped into this level, we saw price absolutely melt. What did price do again? It tapped into this level. What was I anticipating? It to melt to the downside, right? Now, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, right? On the 4-hour time frame, on Friday, we saw this strong wick rejection into the highs, right? Then we saw price come back above this level, and then I saw price respecting and having some indecision at this level right here. Now, if we go down to the hourly or the 30-minute, let's say, right, we can clearly see that when we printed this high, we were respecting it. We respected it here. We respected it here once again. Now, when I saw us respecting this area of resistance just before the stock market opened, I executed a sell position with my stop losses above the wick highs. So let me just go back to the 4-hour. Let's just zoom out, right? If you look at it, this was the wick high that was formed at this level, and I put my stop loss literally above that level. And yeah, I'm in a sell position right now. It's actually a risk-free trade because I have, well, it's not really a risk-free trade. I've minimized my risk. It's above those highs right there, and we're gonna see how price plays out. A lot has happened since 2 days ago, when I was recording this video on Monday. But as you can see, I took a sell position around there. When price came down here, I trod my stop loss above those highs, and when we came all the way this low, I moved my stop loss to break even. Now, I haven't trod my stop loss completely because I'm very bearish on this, right? I feel like if I trod my stop loss too aggressively, I would have got taken out unnecessarily at 1.5% when this is a 5% trade, right? So what I'm looking for is just waiting to see what happens. I was okay with going to break even and price coming back into our resistance and falling down again, because you have to remember, if we just go on the 4-hour time frame very quickly, right? 4-hour, yeah, so on the 4-hour you can see this is a very strong area of resistance, right? So I was like, okay, cool, if I get taken out of break even, I can just go in for another sell entry. So I was okay with that, right? If we have that rejection. Now what's happened, price is continuing to fall down, right? That's exactly what's happening, and I've held the position, and I'm currently up nearly around, as you can see in the screenshot, 3%, right?